first rates any second now, and I will let the wall do all the talking. What do we have? We have a new high on the Nifty. Incredible, right? And we are celebrating the new high with just one flash, because you want to stay with the new high. What do we have in terms of newsmakers here? Vodafone Idea, good start. Reliance Power, good start. IDA locked up. Shipping Corporation up. RBL is where the magic is happening, off a 5% surge. You got uptick, which is there in Brightcom. The breadth is looking absolutely unbelievable. So the breadth, I think, is the talking point. But in terms of value transaction, the value transaction, I think, is looking decent for HDFC Bank. For IDA is locked up actually. And then AU Finance Bank, let's not lose sight of it. This was a late bloomer yesterday. It is gaining weight from where it left, and Vodafone Idea has been in a Vodafone Idea has got some news backing it, but that news is not enough to really reignite momentum in the stock. It is at 14 rupees now. It's like a 1 paisa tick there for a 14 rupee stock. And the Coforge JP Morgan report, that also is having impact on the stock.
Right, bunch of these names in focus. So L&T Finance, Poonawalla FinCorp, Suryodaya SFB, they all came out with their numbers. I just want to see what Avenue Supermarts as well is up. While of course the Nifty has made it to an all-time high, 22,581 is where we're currently at for the Nifty, and that's a move of near about 150 points that we're currently seeing. There's of course Vedanta as well, which has expanded its alumina refining capacity and commissioned further 1.5 MTP of capacity as well. So that's another stock which is in focus. But let's focus on the benchmarks right now, because that's where all the action is. Let's tell you what the big movers propelling the Nifty higher are, because yesterday I think TCS made a decent contribution in trade. So just bring up some of those names and tell you what they're currently up to. You also saw some good moves coming in on the entire metals pack. That rally has been holding out unabated. M&M had a decent contribution as well. So yeah, the Nifty continues to hold higher. Look at the move on HDFC Bank. A near 3% move is what it's seeing. I think this would be the biggest contributor so far, at least in the first flash on the index right now. Kunal, magical moment, and yeah, HDFC Bank, surprise, that's contributing maximum.
Yeah, looks very attractive, and the start with HDFC Bank has got, I think it just could probably be a strong breakout candidate, and my expectation is that the stock should retest at least that 1570 mark. So there should be another at least few percentage points which we can expect for the stock in the very, very immediate term. Now in the opening trade, PSU banking lot stocks are the ones looking attractive. So I picked up Canara Bank as a stock which would recommend on the opening side. Looks attractive after yesterday's strong breakout move at 600 mark.
Okay, that's the stock that Kunal is betting on. What about you, Naresh?
Buy tips on Hindalco. Yesterday, aluminium prices have given a multi-month breakout. So Hindalco becomes a good case. Closer to 580, 85 would be a buy.
All right, there you have it. Those are the first trades from our chartist, looking at some of the marquee large cap stocks in trade.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.